Introducing the 2024 Skoda Kodiaq 7S Sport 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower, finished in sleek black with a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission. This estate Jeep is loaded with comfort and tech features like air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity. With safety features such as multiple airbags, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The exterior boasts a towbar preparation, while the interior offers luxury trim, third-row seating, and cup holders. This vehicle also features smart security systems, privacy glass, and a sunroof. Fully serviced to manufacturer specification with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritskoda.ie or call us today for more information. Drive safely in style with the Skoda Kodiaq.